We're all on that hunt for the next big client, right? The one that can really change the game for our business. But what if the way we've been doing it is just fundamentally broken? Today we're going to look at a blueprint that doesn't just tweak the old methods, it pretty much flips the whole script using artificial intelligence.
So first things first, let's talk about the problem with high-ticket outreach. We all know the grind. It's absolutely crucial for growth, but all that effort for what? Radio silence? It's frustrating, and honestly, the low returns often make you wonder if it's even worth it.
And wow, this slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the old way, manual outreach. It's slow, it's generic, and let's be honest, the results are painfully low. But on the right, you see the new model, AI outreach that's fast, super personalized, and, as we're about to see, incredibly high yield.
So the big question is, how do we get from the left side to the right side? Well, the answer isn't about grinding harder. It's about a total shift in strategy, all thanks to a fully automated blueprint.
And this is the big idea, right here. The ability to literally automate finding your next high-ticket client. I know it's a bold claim, it sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, let's pop the hood and see what's actually powering this thing.
So what's going on behind the curtain? Let's take a look inside the AI engine that makes all of this happen. And this isn't just some basic automation tool or a fancy script. No, this is a legit intelligence engine.
The magic ingredient here is something called AI personalization. And this is the cool part. It's all about using AI to scan through public data on a prospect and then build a completely unique, high-impact message just for them automatically. So, imagine you're after a CEO who just talked about a specific supply chain issue in an interview. The AI finds that, understands it, and actually uses it.
So here's how it all breaks down. It's really a three-step process. First up, it just pulls in all this public data. We're talking LinkedIn, press releases, podcast interviews, you name it. Second, the AI gets to work analyzing everything to find that perfect, unique angle to craft a message. And third, it delivers that high-impact outreach, a message that's designed to get noticed.
Okay, so this whole engine really stands on three core pillars. You've got speed. It's operating at a scale a human just can't keep up with. Then there's precision. Every single message is like a laser beam, aimed right at a prospect's real stated needs. And finally, intelligence. And this is the best part. It's a system that's always learning and getting better with every single interaction.
Now this brings us to what really separates this from, well, pretty much everything else out there. It's a complete and total rejection of templates.
I mean, really let that sink in for a second. Zero. Templates. You know those emails you get, the ones where you can just feel the insert name here placeholder? Yeah, we hit delete on those without even thinking. This system just throws that entire concept in the trash.
And what do you get instead of templates? 100% AI personalization. Every message is a message of one. It's built from the ground up for that specific person. So for that CEO we mentioned, the AI doesn't just say, I saw your company does X. It says, I read your interview about supply chains and your point about Y resonated. See the difference? It's night and day.
And here's the crazy part, the thing that shouldn't be possible. You get that deep, one-to-one personalization, but you get it with truly scalable outreach. It's like having an army of perfectly briefed assistants, each one having a unique, personal chat for you all at the same time. It's the best of both worlds.
Okay, this all sounds amazing in theory, but theory doesn't pay the bills, right? So let's get down to brass tacks and talk about the actual results. This is what really matters.
Which leads us to the billion-dollar question. For all this cool tech, for all this personalization, does it actually move the needle? Does it get you more replies? Does it open those doors you've been trying to get through?
Oh yeah, and the data is just wow. We're talking 5 times higher reply rates compared to the old way. Let's be really clear here, that's not a 50% bump, that's a 500% improvement. That's a total game changer. It's the difference between feeling like you're shouting into a black hole and actually starting real conversations with the right people.
So, as we wrap this up, here's the final thought I want to leave you with. Take a hard look at how you're doing outreach right now. Is it built for yesterday? Or is it ready for tomorrow? Because this technology, it's not science fiction anymore. It's here, and honestly, the advantage it offers is just too big to ignore.